If you didn't know before, well, now you know. Godox is a serious player when it comes to lighting for video, and they ain't playing around. Today, we're going to take a look at the seriously impressive, easy to use, and super creative Godox TL-30. A dual light kit with some serious performance and just plain fun to use. Up next. Hey guys, it's Low for Low Nose Tech telling you everything you need to know about the awesome gear that will improve your game and make your life easier. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any cool content, smash that like button to get those pro skills osmosisly, and ding that bell to get notified. As always, links down below for the Godox TL-30, and leave a comment down below anytime if you have questions about this cool light kit. If you remember, I reviewed the Godox TL-60 right here, which was an amazing light that I still use today behind the scenes. Right there for now. But now I have my hands on the Godox TL-30, and I have to say, I probably love this kit better for my needs compared to the TL-60. Now, don't get me wrong, the TL-60 is awesome, but again, the TL-30 is just a little more practical. We do have pros and cons, but like anything Godox does in the light arena, way more pros than cons. To start, the Godox TL-30 has some impressive specs that you would expect from high-quality lights. Creative lighting effects, app control with the Godox app, a CRI rating of 96, TLCI rating of 97, CCT, HSI, and FX modes, and of course, a built-in battery that you can charge or power using the USB-C port on both lights. Now, I've been using these lights for a couple of my previous videos, lighting my background, adding accent colors, or using it as an additional light source for B-roll, static or dynamic, making my footage look more interesting. Let's talk about the battery life. Battery life is good. I usually get 4 to 5 hours of light when the setting is on 20. When it's at max power, it usually lasts for like an hour. But again, no worries if you're powering it through the USB-C port. Let me adjust this. I feel like this is dropping as the video is going along. So what do you get in the box? Well, a lot. A nice case to house the lights and accessories, your 2 lights, a 2-light connector so you can connect the lights end to end, 2 fixed clips so you can mount on C-stands or anything similar, 6 iron sheets so you can magnetically hang your lights using the 6 pairs of 3M Velcro, and oh yeah, the light is magnetic as well, so that's awesome. You get 2 Type-C charging cables to charge your lights. Now keep in mind you don't get a power adapter, not like the TL-60. So you're gonna have to provide your power source using the USB-C cable from another source. You get 2 anti-slip slings, 2 waterproof pocket bags, and a portable bag. All right, let's take a closer look at the light. The TL-30 is very similar in build to the TL-60, but just smaller. We have a very strong plastic housing that flexes but won't break. But I wouldn't recommend being a ninja with this one. On the ends, we have our traditional mounting treads for our light connector and other accessories. We have our color chart, power, mode, dim, and scroll button. Give a short press on the power button and it will come on. It will load up the last setting you're using. First, we'll go over to the HSI mode. Scroll the wheel to cycle through the different hues. You can use a color chart as a reference. Click the wheel and it will go to the next field, which is our saturation. Use the wheel to adjust that, then press the dim button to switch the intensity, and use the wheel to adjust to your desired brightness. Press the mode button again, and now it takes us to our special effects section. Now use the wheel button to cycle through the various effects, which are RGB cycle, flash, laser, lightning, broken bulb, TV candle, fire, fireworks, police car, fire truck, ambulance, and SOS. You can change the speed of the effects by clicking on the wheel from slow, medium, and quick. Press the dim button to adjust the intensity as well. Moving along, press the mode button again, and that takes us to the CCT portion of the light that goes from 2700 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin. You can also adjust the green and magenta values and intensity. So let's talk about the Godox app. Download and install the Godox app, activate Bluetooth on your light by holding the mode button and turn on to Bluetooth. Go to plus, name your group, and then go to add. Select your light or lights and confirm. You'll then have the option to use the lights individually or group them together. Go to the scene control and you can adjust the lights remotely. You have RGBW, the HSI color wheel, CCT control, Gel filter, which doesn't work with the TL-30, that's for the TL-60. You have the same effects that are available built in, but now you can select one quickly. One note though, the music effects does not work with the TL-30. That feature was for the TL-60. And of course, you have the color picker, where you can pick a color from your photo roll or take a picture and get your color from there. So my final thoughts? Well, it's no secret that tube lights are becoming more and more popular as time goes on, and they really help your scene, environment, or whatever look more interesting. Plus, they're fun too. In all honesty, when it comes to getting the most out of these, you're really limited to your imagination. If you can't come up with anything, well then, copy someone else, until you do. Overall, it's easy to recommend the Godox TL-30. High quality lights with very useful features, great color accuracy, chargeable, linkable, and remote or Bluetooth control. And oh, yes, tons of awesome accessories. As always, links down below to get your TL-30s and to see more specs and reviews. But it's really a no-brainer. Leave a comment down below, share the love by sharing this video, and don't forget, learn, do, and share. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Take care. Look at this one. What about? There you go. Ninja stuff. Ninja stuff. Don't do ninja stuff.